Today I'm at Leighton Buzzard. I've come to the Leighton Buzzard Railway. It goes about 3.5 miles up to some quarries actually. They're sand quarries. The train has just arrived. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. The carriages here, I thought it'd be sitting on the back of like a model railway like you get at sort of like fairgrounds and stuff, but it's actually quite a big carriage. Let's have a look. I'm just poking my head in the door here. If you look round here, you could have like a little party in there, couldn't you really? It's fabulous. The Leighton Buzzard Railway is run by a team of eager volunteers whose ages vary from young to old. Who's the driver? Who's the captain?
I'm the driver and he's the fireman today.
Right, okay. Do you take it in turns? Do you swap over?
No, I'm the trainer driver, yeah.
Right, so I'm actually getting into the actual carriage of the train. Well, it's nice and warm and cosy up here, isn't it? How do you cope in the hot weather?
Not drink a lot of water.
So what's your name?
Paul.
You're Paul, and you are in charge of the fire.
Yeah.
How much coal does the steam train actually get through on its journey?
That's a couple of buckets. I don't know how you measure coal.
You can actually cook your bacon and egg in there as well.
Yeah, and you cook it in no time as well.
What about jacket potatoes, things like that?
You can cook things in the smoke box as well. We got a little grill thing that sits in there, and they put their roast in on there, wrap it in foil, heat it in chips, and your roast meal's ready.
Fantastic. And finally, where's the whistle?
Whistle's right here.
What, can I pull it? Okay, I've been dying to do this. Here we go, just pull it down.
Yeah, well, pull it towards you.
Oh, nothing's happening. Oh, there we go. I can't do it. I'll break the train.
Yeah.
There we go. Right, it's 10:30, we're all set, ready to go. I can see steam. Oh, it's dead exciting. Apparently I can't stick my head out the window for too long because there's lots of overhanging branches. They might knock my head off or mess my hair up, whatever. It is actually motoring quite fast. Back before the war, these trains would be towing lots of carriages full of sand from the quarry back down to where we've come from here. So then they could offload into the lorries and go across the country. I love it. It feels just like the Orient Express. Just need some champagne. It takes around about 30 minutes to reach the Stonehenge works, the end of the line. These carriages here, as you can see, they're full of sand, and this is primarily why this sort of narrow gauge railway exists, all to transport sand. And this is one of the old trains that was actually used to do that. The Stonehenge works have been changed into an interactive museum. There's even a coffee shop here for you to grab a bite to eat before the journey back. These guys here are volunteers, and this looks absolutely grueling, having to fill the train back up with coal, especially when it's hot. Not my idea of a good time. The route itself goes from the town into the countryside. It runs down the back of people's gardens, along main roads, next door to pubs. They even have to stand in the middle of the road and stop the traffic. The train that you see here, it's called Dole. Now, it's one of 3 that is privately owned. Now, the first 2 trains are named after the owner's daughters, and the 3rd train, which is the one you see here, the blue one, is named after their favourite toy, the doll. This must be the other train that he owns. It's called Gertrude. If I was his daughter, I wouldn't be happy if somebody called me Gertrude. It's like the name of a cow. Well, that's it from the Leighton Buzzard Narrow Gauge Railway. It's been absolutely fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and find that pub that I saw on the actual way down, get myself a nice drink and wave at it when it goes past on its next journey. If you want to find out more information about this railway line, do check out their website, which is listed at the bottom of the screen, and I'll also put it in the description at the bottom as well. That's it from me. Thanks for watching.